In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Audible widget to your iPhone home screen. If you use Audible regularly, adding its widget makes it quicker to jump back into your current audiobook without hunting for the app. We'll go step by step, and I'll point out a few tips along the way so everything feels smooth and straightforward. Start on the home screen and touch and hold an empty area until the apps begin to jiggle. You'll know you're in the right mode when icons wiggle and small controls appear around them. Make sure you press and hold on a blank space rather than on an app icon to avoid opening a shortcut menu. Once things are jiggling, tap the button in the top left corner to open the widget gallery. This brings up the place where you can browse all available widgets from your installed apps. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find Audible. Typing the app name is often the fastest way. If Audible doesn't appear, double check that the app is installed and updated, then come back to this screen. When you see Audible in the list, tap it to view the available widget options. Here you'll be able to swipe through different widget sizes. Each size shows a preview so you can get a feel for how it will look and what information it will display. Smaller sizes take up less space and are great for a minimalist layout, while larger sizes can show more details about your current listen. Swipe until you land on the size that best fits your home screen and the way you use Audible. When you're happy with your choice, tap Add Widget. The widget will drop onto your home screen in jiggle mode so you can place it exactly where you want. Drag it to the position that feels most natural. You can move it between rows, nestle it among your most used apps, or even drag it to another home screen page. As you move it, your app icons will shift automatically to make room. When everything looks good, tap Done in the top right corner to save your layout and exit jiggle mode. That's it, the Audible widget is now live on your home screen, ready to launch you directly into your audiobook with a single tap. If you ever want to change the size or location later, you can repeat these steps and experiment with different layouts until it feels just right. Enjoy quicker access to your audiobooks and a cleaner, more personalized home screen.